Experience the charm of Zephyr Place, a boutique community with just 130 homes. 16 minutes from Wiregrass Mall, 6 minutes from Home Depot, Publix, 7-Eleven and CVS Pharmacy.This practically new residence, built in 2021, offers modern living with an open floor plan. The kitchen, perfectly situated between the living and dining areas, boasts stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The primary suite, located at the rear of the home, features a large walk-in closet and a private ensuite bathroom. The 2 secondary bedrooms, just off the kitchen, are bright and spacious with ample closet space. A full bath with a shower/tub combo is conveniently located at the front, ideal for guests. Additional features include a laundry room equipped with a washer and dryer, conveniently located off the 2-car garage. Enjoy your fully screened lanai and fenced backyard, perfect for relaxing without the hassle of bugs. Your rent